ready for dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. Obviously, the petitioner, now having crossed even the age of 58 years, 9 years after the impugned order was passed, when he was about to reach the age of 55 years, a fresh order of retirement would in any case have to be passed ex post facto, deeming that he be treated to have been retired at a particular age full stop. Therefore, to repeat, if the appointing authority on the basis of the petitioner's record again comes to the conclusion that the petitioner should have actually been retired at the age of 55 years, then he would be at liberty to pass a fresh order without casting any stigma on the petitioner and further giving him 3 months' pay as per the last pay drawn by the petitioner at the age of 55 years, along with interest thereupon at the rate 6% per annum full stop. Coming last to the challenge by the petitioner to the advance annual confidential report for the period 1/4/2007 to 31st 3 2008 and the rejection of his representation against the adverse remarks contained in that ACR wide the order of the Inspector General of Police, Railways and Technical Services para. As already seen, he was communicated the adverse ACR for the period from 1/4/2007 to 31/3/2008, wherein it has been stated that his reputation for fair dealing is not good and that he had misbehaved with the public and was therefore censured in the year 2008, and further that his behavior required improvement and that he was also not gender sensitive while dealing with issues relating to women full stop. His overall rating has also been described as average full stop. In the opinion of this court, the working of any employee is best seen by his supervisory officer, who accordingly is to access the employee's performance and make his/her remarks in the relevant columns in the annual confidential report full stop. Naturally, no other authority, including the court, can substitute that opinion, the working of the employee over a particular period of time having been seen only by the supervisory / assessing officer full stop. Para. At best, such assessment would be reviewable by the reviewing authority, who either by obtaining information from whatever source he/she wishes to obtain it, or as per his/her assessment would decide to either overrule or modify the reporting/assessing officer's assessment of the employee, or would uphold it as he/she deems fit full stop. Of course, if any bias is existent in the mind of the reporting/assessing officer or the reviewing authority, it is for the employee to point out in judicial proceedings reasons for such bias, giving opportunity to the reporting/reviewing officer concerned to reply to any such allegations of bias over.